Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and we're going to weld these names together. And if you're going to put a child's name inside of a picture frame, or let's just say you're making a little plaque and you want to put their name and glue the board down, or you're going to do this in acrylic, or whatever. First of all, you would need to do is take your name, and you got it the way you want, and I'm going to left click the mouse, go down to red and right click. I've got mine set on hairline. We're going to turn this into a curve, and I'm not saying that's in the perfect center, but anyway, then you would group all those, and they're actually a little bit, maybe a little bit high, so let's move our box down just a hair. We just want to be able to grab each letter. Now there's a couple things you could do. You could break this apart, go to break curve apart, then you can grab just that L, and let's put that L combining with that E. Now we can make our box a little bit smaller. Alright, I'm not going to take the time in the video to do that, but we're going to zoom in here, and we're going to grab all these items, and we're going to weld them. But see what happened? We've lost our E and our A. So what you can do, back up, and these are individual objects. So now what we have to do, and I used to, in a previous video, I would take this one and this one, and I would move them out of the way, and then I'd have to weld and I'd put it back. Well, this is a little faster, and it's more precise because it's exactly where it is. So now what you want to do, you want to grab each object, and you want to get over the L, hold down your shift key, go ahead and grab your box, grab your E, your A, and your H, and you can see I've got 5 items, 5 objects, so I've got 4 letters in the box. Then I can weld them, and the O, the part of the center of the A and the part of the center of the E stayed there. So that's a really neat way, and it's a little faster. So let's do this one because it's got a few more in it. And let's just weld this one. We're not going to put it on anything. And everything's already touching. So we're going to left click, right click, and you can see the overlaps. Now, same thing. I'm going to have to convert it to a curve so the weld will work. Group it all. I'm actually going to have to break the curve apart. Go up to weld. And see, again, it took away our other items. So all you have to do, you've got 4 letters. Just grab each part without grabbing. See, this is a separate entity. So let's grab that. Hold down your shift key. Grab your E. Grab your A. Grab your H. And you can see I've got 4 objects selected. Go up to weld. And then that way everything's welded together, and it's still got your inner parts of all your text. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.